If you are over 60 and your posture has been changing, this video is for you. This is not about age. This is about one specific thing happening in your body that most people over 60 were never told about. And there is one exercise that directly addresses it. Simple. Without the use of any equipment or gym. You can do it sitting right where you are. Stay with me. If nobody has told you this before, make sure you save this video so you can come back to it anytime. And drop a comment below. Tell me how long you have been dealing with this. I will read every single comment. After 60, the muscles that hold your head and spine in alignment start to weaken because after 60, muscle mass naturally decreases at twice the rate it did at 40. The muscles most affected are the deep neck flexors. These are the small muscles at the front of your neck. Their job is to keep your head directly above your spine. When they weaken, your head starts drifting forward. Every inch your head moves forward adds about 10 pounds of extra pressure on your spine. That forward drift pulls your shoulders with it. This is what matters. These muscles can be retrained at any age, with the right exercise done consistently. The chin tuck is a simple, controlled movement that directly targets the deep neck flexors, the exact muscles responsible for keeping your head aligned above your spine. You can do it sitting in your favorite chair right now. Step 1. Sit up tall in a sturdy chair, both feet flat on the floor, shoulders relaxed, eyes looking straight ahead. Not down, not up, straight ahead. Step 2. Place one finger gently on your chin. This is your guide. Do not move your finger. Step 3. Without tilting your head up or down, gently slide your chin straight back, away from your finger, as if you are making a double chin. You will feel a gentle pull at the base of your skull and the back of your neck. Step 4. Hold that position for 5 full seconds. Breathe normally. Do not hold your breath. Step 5. Slowly release back to the starting position. The first time you do this, you may feel an unfamiliar tension at the back of your neck and the base of your skull. It just simply means your deep neck flexors engaging, possibly for the first time in a long time. You may also notice that your shoulders naturally pull back slightly when your head is in the correct position, which signals that your spine is responding to proper alignment. After a few repetitions, you will feel a subtle release of tension in your upper neck and the area between your shoulder blades. When your head drifts forward, your deep neck flexors stop doing their job. They become long and weak from being constantly stretched in the wrong direction. The chin tuck reverses that. It contracts these muscles back into their natural working position. It teaches your neck and spine to find alignment again through repetition. Do 10 repetitions for each section. Complete 3 sets. Hold for 5 seconds for each repetition. Rest for 30 seconds between each set. Total time for the full session is under 6 minutes. Do this twice a day. Once in the morning. Once in the evening. Same time every day builds the habit faster. The most common mistake is nodding the head down instead of sliding it straight back. Think of it this way. Imagine there is a wall directly behind your head. You are sliding your head straight back to touch that wall, not tilting down to it. Straight back. That mental image makes the difference between doing this correctly and not feeling it at all. The best way to make this stick is to attach it to something you already do every day. Do your first set while you're having your morning coffee. Do your second set while watching the evening news or favorites TV show. Consistency over 2 to 4 weeks is when most people start noticing the difference in how they feel walking, how their neck feels at the end of the day, and the way their shoulders naturally sit when they are not thinking about it. Your posture did not change overnight, and it will not correct overnight. But with this exercise done consistently and correctly, your body will respond. Your body is not broken. Your muscles have simply been sitting in the wrong position for too long. Do the chin tuck starting from today. Do it tomorrow. Keep doing it. That is all it takes.